A manufacturer produces 3 products XYZ which he sell into market. Annual sale price given below. This is taken raw materials and unit of sale, sale prices and cost price written in column matrix. The item produced by the manufacturer are written in row matrix and their sales price and cost price in column matrix. The item produced written in row matrix P mat in the P forum 10,000, 2,000, 18,000, 6,000, 20,000 and 8,000. Their sale price 2.50 rupees, 1.50 rupees, 1 rupees. Total sales multiply P and Q. Total sale price multiply this first row, first column 10,000 with 2.50. It becomes 25,000, 300, 3,000 and 1,800. Similarly, this second row to this column, it becomes 46,000. It becomes 53,000. Now similarly, cost price 2 rupees, 1 rupees and 50 paise. Total cost price P into R. These are the commodity produced by the manufacturer and this is cost price. Multiply this first row, first column, second row, second column. 20 plus 2, 22, 9, 31,000. 36,000. If net revenue, how much profit? Profit for first market. Total sale price 46,000, cost price 31,000, 15,000 rupees profit. Profit for second market. Total sale price 53,000, cost price 36,000 and 17,000 is profit for second market. For a matrix X, so that X multiply 2 by 3 order matrix, we get 3 by 2 order matrix. Rule of multiplication. Multiply here is what order of matrix here. Similar, now we can see second matrix is 2 by 3 order. Answer of the matrix is 2 by 3. It means number of row and number of column this matrix are equal. It means there 2. The answer is 2 by 3. This means this cancel out. This 3 and here is 2. Hence common 2. The matrix X of order 2 by 2. So we can write here 2 by 2 order matrix A, B, C and D. We multiply this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, 2, 4, 6. Multiply this first row, first column A plus 4B, 2A plus 5B, 3A plus 6B. Now this second row with first column C plus 4D, 2C plus 5D, 3C plus 6D, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, 2, 4, 6. We compare corresponding matrix of this, corresponding element of corresponding matrix. A plus 4B is equal to minus 7. 2A plus 5B is equal to minus 8. C plus 4D is equal to 2. 2C plus 5D is equal to 4. Then solve this equation, we can find matrix X. When we solve first equation and second equation, here is 2. Multiply this equation by 2. 2 से गुणा कर देंगे हम. 2A 8B माइनस 14. इसके नीचे इसको लिख लो. 2A प्लस 5B बराबर है माइनस 8. माइनस माइनस प्लस 3B माइनस 6. B is equal to minus 6 by 3. Minus putting value of B in equation first. A plus 4 into minus 2 minus 7. A minus 8 is equal to minus 7. A is equal to minus 7 plus 8, that is equal to 1. Similarly, here is 2. Multiplying this equation by 2. 2C plus 8D is equal to 4. Subtracting minus 3D. This is also cancel out. D is equal to 0 by minus 3. That is equal to 0. Putting value of D in equation 3. C plus 4 into 0 is equal to 2. C is equal to 2. Now X matrix we have A, B, C and D. We let this A 1 minus 2, C 2 or D 0. That is the answer of the X. A and B are the two matrix, square matrix, same order. Then AB is equal to BA. To prove that by mathematical induction, AB की power n is equal to B की power n into A first part, and AB की power whole की power n is equal to A की power n, B की power n second part. By mathematical induction, put n is equal to 1. Here AB is equal to BA. Given that AB is equal to BA, it is true. Let us assume that it is true for n is equal to kk. Put here A B की power k is equal to B की power k into A. To prove that it is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Put n is equal to k plus 1. A B की power k plus 1. B की power k plus 1 into A. Taking left hand side. A B की power k plus 1. It can be written as AB की power k into B. A B की power k from first B की power k into A. A into B using 1. Then this can be written as B की power k into B into A, where AB is equal to BA given. AB is equal to BA given. Multiply this B की power k plus 1 into A. Next part is AB की power n is equal to B की power n, A की power n. Similarly, n is equal to 1. It becomes AB is equal to BA. For n is equal to, let us assume that it is true for n is equal to k. Then it becomes AB की power k, B की power k into A की power k. Then to prove that it is true for n is equal to k plus 1, it becomes AB की power k plus 1, B की power k plus 1 and A की power k plus 1. Taking out left hand side, it becomes AB की power k plus 1. It can be written as AB की power k into AB. From first equation, AB की power k is equal to B की power k into A की power k into AB. AB is equal to BA. It can be written as B की power k into B and A की power k into A. It becomes B की power k plus 1 and A की power k plus 1 right hand side. Question number 13. A is equal to 2 by 2 order matrix is such that A square is equal to identity matrix. Then show any of the four options. To identity. A multiply A is equal to identity. A multiply A is equal to identity. We multiply this first row with this column, first row, second column, it becomes this. Alpha square plus beta gamma here. They cancel out, 0. Cancel out, 0. Alpha beta plus gamma beta plus alpha square is equal to, comparing corresponding element, alpha square plus beta gamma is equal to 1. Taking out this side, 1 minus alpha square minus beta gamma is equal to 0. So answer option is C. 14th question. A is both symmetric and skew symmetric. If A is symmetric matrix, then Aij is equal to Aji. If A is skew symmetric matrix, Aij is equal to minus Ji. Adding these two, Aij is equal to add 0. Aij is equal to, this means matrix A is equal to 0. A is a square matrix, A square is equal to identity, then 1 plus A whole ka cube minus 7A is equal to, first part A, second part identity minus A, third part identity, fourth part A square is equal to identity. Identity plus A cube, B cube plus 3 A into B, A plus B minus 7A. Identity multiply identity, it becomes identity. A cube A square into A. Identity multiply by matrix, it becomes matrix. Identity plus A into sin A. Identity A square, value of A square is equal to A. We put here A. 3. Multiply 3A by this and this. It becomes this. A square, 3A into identity, 3A matrix. When matrix multiply identity, it becomes matrix. A square given is equal to A. Identity plus A square. A square value is equal to A. 3A plus 3A, 6A minus 7A. 6A plus A, 7A. 7A minus 7A, 0. It becomes answer identity C option.